morning, you guys. I'm getting ready for a little family get together. We're celebrating some birthdays in the family. Thought it'd just be fun to take you along as I get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup, my hair. We'll pick out an outfit together too. And I'm looking at the time. I have 45 minutes to get all those things done, and typically on a work day it would take me quite a bit longer to get ready, so we're gonna have to cut this little makeup for sure, cut it down. I think that's usually what takes me the longest because I enjoy doing my makeup. It's so therapeutic for me. So I tend to take a lot of time to do it. But like I said, I'm gonna have to cut it down. So you're gonna see it like a quick or shortened version of my everyday get ready. I'm gonna use a lot of the same products, but probably cut out a few and definitely cut out a few of the steps because I don't have as much time. So let's just get right into it. I've already moisturized. That's all I have on my skin, and I've given it time to set. It's been maybe 10-ish minutes, so we should be good to go there. I'm going in right away with my correcting concentrate. I've talked about this in a previous video, and I just love it. And when I shared that video, or when I was editing it, I was I was very, modest with my application, because on a pretty regular basis, I am using quite a bit more than what I shared in that video as being pretty cautious, just being gentle. So I go ahead and put that on in my under eyes. Sometimes I'll put it on my lid, but today is not one of those days. And we are working with full-on natural lighting. I don't have any of my overhead lights on. I just don't think it's gonna help the situation. So yeah, that's on my under eyes. I mentioned this product as well, my Milani Conceal and Perfect. It's the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I just love how full coverage this is, and I feel like the color has been matching pretty well. As we get into the colder months, I might transition to a different shade, but for now, I'm gonna make it work, or it has been working really well. I think it's worked well for me. I am using a Real Techniques sponge. These have been a go-to for me. I've just come to like how this one applies my makeup and the price. So it's definitely worked for me. So I'm just getting this foundation. I added a little bit more, but not too much more. I'm gonna set a goal to get this makeup look done in 15 minutes. I've been recording so far for 4 minutes and 45 seconds. So I'm gonna try to finish this up in 15. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple because I'll need a little more time for my hair. So yeah, all right, that seems blended out enough. My favorite concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm gonna put a good amount of that. And I've been adding the Maybelline Fit Me. Oh, and in the Age Rewind, I'm in 110. Don't know the exact shade. And then in the Fit Me, I'm in 05 Ivory. And I've just been doing a dot of this in the inner corner there because it a little bit seriously goes a very long way. I'm just gonna blend that out. And then typically after this, I would bake under my eyes. I would take my setting powder, a pretty hefty amount, and I would just let it sit while I do my brows. But today I'm not going to do that. I'm just blending this out, and then I'm going to take this powder on the little puff that it comes with, and I'm just going to kind of set my entire face. If this were a more formal event, I would probably take a little more time, but I still do like to get ready for things like this. It's just a family get together. Next up, I'm just gonna take this. This is my favorite, my all-time favorite brow pencils. I've tried some other products that I've shared that I also really like, but I find that this one's just the most efficient one. I'm able to apply product pretty quickly. I'm just doing a quick bronze. Didn't really contour the whole time, but just trying to keep this step really simple. All right, and I'm just gonna take some pencil liner. Do it on the lower lash line, on the outer corner here. And then I like to put some highlighter in the inner corner. Alright, so this is gonna do it for the makeup. But yeah, there we go. So I did this in, looks like 17 minutes, so I didn't quite make 15, but still not bad. Now I have half an hour, so I need to do hair and get ready or change. Alright, I'm gonna have to curl quickly. Probably won't take as long as I normally do, so I don't have as much time, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna leave out quite a bit of the ends and just not start it up so high either. right, and here is the outfit I went with. I've shared this flannel in a past video for what I wear to work, but I'm wearing it again because I just think it has some perfect fall colors. And then underneath I just have this like burnt orange t-shirt. And depending on if I get warm, I can always take this off. These jeans are a favorite from Old Navy. I broke out some of the like tall socks to wear with my favorite fall boots. I will do my best to link any products I mentioned in this video down below, whether it be the outfits, makeup, hair, anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. I'll see you in my next one.